Hello everybody. In today's video, I will show you how to zebra stripe your tables or uh, your cells on your spreadsheet on Excel or Microsoft Office Excel. So first, let's just create something similar to a table. All we have to do now is to add borders for these cells so it will show as tables. Now, to add the formatting of zebra stripe, we need to be on the home menu on this ribbon, on the home ribbon here, and we will go to this section of styles. Here, this is the style section, and we will click on format as a table. And as you can see, those are all the formattings of uh, the tables that we have or the presets of the Excel. And as you can see, they are all stripped or zebra stripped. So I'm going to click on OK after selecting my table. So I'm going to click OK, for example. And as you can see, you have the stripping or the zebra stripe style. Or you can add your new style by uh, uh, having each column style have its own format. So you can have in your own formatting or just using the presets formatting from here. Like for example, this one having a dark color for the headers and then light one for the zebra striping, or you can choose of many uh, these presets of colors, like you can have them like this in different color, all the same colors. So there is too many presets that you can choose from on Microsoft Office Excel. So basically, this is how you zebra stripe your cells or on Excel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.